My name is Mildred. In this lesson, we will discuss how to design forms using Bootstrap 5 utility classes.
By the end of this lesson, students should be able to create styled forms using Bootstrap 5, implement form controls, inputs, text area, file input, use select menus, implement checkboxes and radio buttons, apply validation styles, structure responsive form layouts, build a complete functional form project.
On the screen is a code snippet that creates a basic form. We use the form label class for the input field label, the form control class for the input field, and the form text class to add muted helper class below inputs. These classes ensure responsive form elements. Let's describe the characteristics of these classes in more details.
The form label class is used to style the label element. It applies a consistent font size spacing below the label and aligns with the Bootstrap form design system.
The form control class is used to style text-based input fields. It has the following characteristics. It applies 100% width to the element. It applies padding, border, and rounded corners. The focus state is a blue glow. It is responsive.
The form text class adds a smaller helper text in a gray color, used for information or instructions for input fields.
There are different variations of the form control class. The form control LG applies larger paddings, font size, and taller input height. The form control SM adds smaller padding and a compact height.
On the screen is an image of the web page created with the form label, form control, and form text classes applied. The form control class is also used to style the text area and data lists element in the same way. Next, let's look at the select menu classes. On the screen, we have a code snippet of a form with a select element. We use the utility class, form_select. It has the following characteristics: full width, style drop-down arrow, custom appearance, proper padding, focus effect. There are different sizes of the form_select element. We use form_select LG for larger display and form_select SM for smaller display.
The form check class is a wrapper for a checkbox or a radio group. It adds spacing, properly aligns the input and label, and provides a required container for consistent styling. Form check input styles checkbox or radio input itself. It ensures proper sizing, custom styled control, focus ring, and disabled styling support. Form check label styles the label beside checkbox or radio. It ensures proper spacing, cursor pointer, and vertical alignment. Form check inline displays multiple checkboxes or radios horizontally. It removes block stacking and adds horizontal spacing. Form switch creates toggle switch style checkbox. It uses slide animation effect, rounded toggle, and uses checkbox input internally.
On the screen is a screenshot of the code illustrating the checkbox and radio utility classes we discussed and how they appear on the web page.
In the next lesson, we will discuss the range and input groups. If you learned something in this lesson, give us a like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a comment. We will like to read from you. Hope to see you in the next lesson.